I do believe there is a role for the legislation in dealing with the carbon challenge that we have, but it can't be the only lever. Changing behaviours is the only real way that we'll actually deal with this issue, so particularly in the time that we have. So the first lever is industry consensus, by the industry actually coming together to tackle this problem the same way that we tackled similar problems such as health and safety. The second one is reputational, where it is seen as being fundamentally the wrong thing to do to have a high carbon scheme, and there's a reputational pressure to actually address it. So the third behavioural lever is money, because if you can actually drive the people to do the right things within the scheme, because it's possible to access finances that have got lower interest rates for schemes that are sensitive to the carbon challenge, then that will actually drive people to develop low carbon schemes because they can actually get money at a lower rate. There are many areas for innovation within the construction industry. I believe that digital and data will revolutionise the construction sector. Looking at building information management to begin with, we've made massive progress on level 1 and level 2. Now we're looking to level 3 and level 4, where we're actually looking at the whole life cycle impact of the assets that we are creating, and then going to level 4, where it's focusing on the user. Once we start tackling level 3 and level 4, this is where the real big benefits will be achieved. A second example that I'd like to give is on recycling. We've actually done a lot of work within the industry on recycling of, for example, steel. But there are lots of other materials that are actually being used within buildings, and at the moment, the circular economy model for these other materials haven't actually been developed. We believe that these logistical and setup challenges are also areas where we do need to innovate in order to continue to get the benefit in off-site manufacturing, but we also see the opportunity to innovate in on-site production.